another day doing the Norco bike, and I'm going to clean these mud guards with the Brillo pad. And I'll just show you how nicely it finishes it off. So I'll just get to work. So I have here car compound, right? And you can use that for polishing as well. Just a little bit of water in it, and then you just rub the side of the you can see all the dirt coming off, really cleaning up nicely. It's very good because it doesn't do much damage because it's for the car paint, right? And the other thing which I was talking about using is a Brillo pad, right? And you just dip it in a bit of water. You can see I'm doing here. Let's just do this front here. You can see it here. Comes off very quick. You want to do it very lightly. You don't want to take the paint off. And then when you wipe it, you have this lovely finish. See, it's like new. And I'm basically going to do the whole two guards here with this, and then I'll show it to you. They're in really good condition. I only have right in here, if you can see there, I have a little crack which I most likely put a bit of super glue on so it doesn't go any further, like this. Press it in and hold it there like this, super glue it in. So that's done. And I also am going to put these Brillo pad, these rods, and then stick them in the vise and straighten them so that the older rods for the mud guards are straight. So that's all I got left to do. Keep squeezing it, turning it, and you get this really nice straight line again. Close anyway. Right, let's do the last bit there here. And look at the difference. Look at how nice that looks now. There's a little bit here, but I nearly got it. I got aluminum jaws in there so it won't damage them. And I'm squeezing really hard and turning. There we go. Like new, nearly like new, huh? That's how you straighten your rods. Mud guard screws for the bars. And just giving it a little wire brush. And they look polished. You've gone this far. You might as well give it the total look. Restoration is about that. Then you can go back on the mudguard holders again. There we go. So there you go. I super glued it, held it together for a minute or two, let it dry, gave it a little rub down, and cleaned it with a little file and then a bit of Brillo so that I don't take anything off there. and then I touched it up with gold paint, gold and silver paint, so it looks a bit like the same. So, and it's going to be hidden a bit with the bars and that. So, going to be very little seen down below like that. So, I mean, I'm quite happy. That's the best I can do. There we go. All done. Nicely cleaned. Even the screws, I did the screws. There's an odd little mark. Just dry it up here a bit. Right? Now you can spray a non-coloring varnish over top so that you don't have this discoloration, a varnish that doesn't discolor. You can varnish this, especially this chrome, and it'll last longer. So you don't have the little rusting coming back if it gets a little damp outside. But there you go. I mean, here you go. I'll creep in with my chair right here, and so you can get a better look at this. Doesn't that look nice when that gets on the bike? See? Lovely stripes. Didn't Brillo pad too much. I just Brillo pad very lightly. Got most of the marks off it. Quite pleased at how good this bike is. I did a trade this bike for fixing some dinky toys, so a friend of mine. And there's the bars we straightened. Aren't they lovely? They need just adjusting when I put it on the bike. So there you go, it's all set. It's all set to install. So we'll move on to our next project. Thanks for watching.